show you how we can peel the beans using the blender. So watch this video and see how we're going to carry out that process. It's going to be a very straight and simple process. And please, I always ask, subscribe, like, and share my video. That's the only way you can support me, and then others can also have a view of this video as well. So in order for you to peel your beans, you need to soak these beans for a period of 1 or 2 hours just to soften it a bit. And for you to peel the beans so that you can use it for your moi moi, all you need to do is to turn it into the blender. Okay, make sure the level of water is above the beans so that we can carry out this process. And you're going to see that I'm not going to blend on high speed. I'm going to blend on a very low speed so that it will not actually crush the beans. You understand? So I'm going to do it on a very low speed. So watch out as I'm going to carry out this process. I'm going to find a way to scoop. I'll carry out this process. I'm going to reduce the water a little, but the water level should be above the beans level. Please don't ever load your blender to this level. If you load this to this level, you're going to stress the machine, it can't smoke, and you're going to be stressing the motor in the long run. The type of motor I am using here is definitely not the type of motor most of you are using out there, but I'm just going to show you how to peel this. Then I'm going to use this as a measuring utensil to know the quantity of beans I'm going to put and blend at the time. So just measure the beans up to this level and then take your time to grind them one after the other. But for now, I just want to peel and I'm going to show you how to do that. Don't try this with your own blender, it may not be the same motor I'm using. So you're going to put the speed on the low speed, which is the lowest speed, and then you turn on the blender. This is not going to crush. It's not going. So it's just turning. It keeps turning and turning. It's not blending anything. It's just to peel off the outer scale of the beans. I can see how stressed the machine is at the moment, even though the blender is a very strong one. But I can see how stressed it is. Don't try this with your machine. It's going to break it down. You will not try it. So I'm not showing you what you should not do, but rather I'm going to show you what you should do. You have to reduce the quantity of this and watch it does the job. So you have seen the correct level at which the beans is now. Let's see how the machine is going to act. Remember to put it on low speed and on it. It's going to turn. Have you seen how active it is now? It's not going to grind because it's on low speed. Just peel the outer scale of the beans. Thereafter you can wash it off and then be prepared for the next step, which is the grinding proper. It is on low speed. The low speed will not grind the beans. It's only going to help peel the outer cover of the beans. If you see from the picture here, it's gradually peeling the outer cover. And so you just do this for a little time. Another method you can do this is the pause button, so you can just 1, 2. The pause button is very powerful. You can see it's stressing my gen. My generator is stressed. So I'll return to the normal, this one. So there is no need in rushing. As you can see, the beans have been cleanly peeled and I have taken the measurement